Welcome to CSC116 Introduction to Computers. My name is Karen O'Loughlin and I'm going to be your instructor this fall. We're going to take a quick look at organizing or using Blackboard, and then just a brief look at the course before we get started here. And so I look forward to working with you this semester, so let's just go ahead and get started with this, okay? So when you first open Blackboard, if you're familiar with this, you know that the announcements page will load, and so you have some beginning course announcements. Please be sure to read through these. We will go over much of this material in class in person. There is important information about your textbook. Basically, what I can tell you verbally right now is that you are going to get access to all the Cengage resources, and we will do that do all your login stuff in class, so please don't worry about signing up for your Cengage access until we get to class. There's a few things that I want to go over with you on that. You can start to look into the Start here in the Unit A folders, but again, we are going to go through much of this material in class. You can look through it just to kind of give yourself a feel for the course, but don't feel like you need to do anything prior to class, and please do not attempt to access your Cengage account until we do that together in class. Okay, you can check out all the information on the syllabus page, which is useful. It is expected that you will have looked through this information. The course syllabus is here. I would recommend that you download that and read through that. The course competencies, important dates for just the fall semester in general, and then we will have our course schedule. I will make that active on here. I know it's at the end of the syllabus, but there is also a link that will have like our course schedule for the year that I will make active as soon as I get done with this. You can learn a little bit more about myself if you are interested, but the course content is going to be the place where you land most of the time, or where we work from. So right now I am in the student preview mode, so these should be the only things that you guys have access to or that you can see. Okay, and so we have a variety of different information here. I'm pausing because the online office hours, I actually will not have online office hours like this. This is left over from the instructor's signature shell. I'll probably turn off that link. Please note that you will be able to reach me, and we will be able to set up office hours or set up some help time if you need it. Just start to look through the before you begin information. There's a few notices here, and then the Start Here folder and the Unit A folder are open. But again, please don't try to do any of the Cengage activities or the Cengage registration process until we meet in class in person. So I look forward to working with you this semester. One last thing I will point out in the content is there is a questions folder here, and this folder will be active all semester long. I encourage you to post questions. I will help monitor it, but I also want you students to feel like you can answer other people's questions that are posted there. Please keep in mind that you don't post solutions or code or assignment answers, etc. But if you have a hint that another student might be able to benefit from, please, I encourage that kind of conversation throughout the semester. So again, I look forward to working with you this semester. Just look around a little bit to kind of get a feel for the course, and we will be going over much of this information on Wednesday when I see you in class.